For snapshot folder, separate username and password. For release folder, separate username and password. But as of now, same username, same password. In order to access this, what I did, I provided admin username. Line number 6, 7, please pay attention. To access this URL, after providing this URL, I should provide a username and password. Where I am saving that username and password? At line number 6, 7 for release folder. Same thing I need to tell for the snapshot folder. Even you can maintain separate username and passwords. What I'm trying to say, for snapshot folder, separate username and password. For release folder, separate username and password. But as of now, same username, same password, I'm handling it. So you need to change release URL and snapshot URL. Can I do all this, whatever I'm explaining? Yes, you can do it, only with passion. If you have skill, if you have continuous eager to learn things, you will do it. Copy this URL, go to this and paste it. So your same information we update in pom.xml. Same information we are updating it. What is we are not updating in pom.xml? Username and password, you are not updating it. Apart from everything, we are doing it. But where do you run this code? You run on a Jenkins. So Jenkins server should have a connectivity to JFrog from Jenkins server. What is the reason? At this level, we are adding credentials. Save this file, come out. Now, we have successfully integrated required things. It's a time to run the job. From code commit to code deploy, I want to automate. Automatically, it should start. For that, go to Jenkins. We already created a job here. There are 3 jobs are there. I would like to use one of the job, declarative. I'll go with the declarative and go to the configure. In Jenkins, you're creating your job. What you want to do, definition of done. Okay, it is enabled. Repository. This is what we need to change. Why? Let me take the repository URL, go to your Jenkins job, provide the URL. What is a branch? Code is available in main branch. So you have to tell the branch as well. Main branch. In this repository, there is a branch. In this repository, there is a branch. In that branch, this file should be there. This file. This is the file has a definition of done. DOD. What you want, you mentioned very clearly in this file. And that file I opened here. Please look at it. This is a file. In this repository, a branch called main branch, and there is a file called Jenkins. This file will execute in Jenkins on Jenkins server. Here I need to change few things about my Tomcat server. Here is my Tomcat. I'm going to deploy a new code. So before, here is my Tomcat server. You're deploying the artifact to the Tomcat with a name called Cloud Binary. And here you see the credentials. These are the username and passwords of Tomcat. What are you uploading it? An artifact you're uploading it. To where you're uploading? To this Tomcat server you're uploading it. Where? Under manager. With what name? Cloud Binary. Do we have this name here under manager? Under manager app, there is a manager. Do you see Cloud Binary name here? Do you see? No. Do you see in the Tomcat server? Here, do you see anywhere Cloud Binary name? File, folder? No. We are going to upload. That's called delivery. If you deliver the artifact to the Tomcat server under web apps, deployment happens. So for that reason, what I mentioned here, this is my Tomcat IP address. Go to manager app. Please deploy this var file to as this name. And after doing a deployment, do the smoke test. Application is working or not.